Hi, this is Glenn Wokenfeld from Science Music Videos, and this is the fourth video about how to use the online interactive curriculum at sciencemusicvideos.com so that you can keep on teaching and so that your students can keep on learning even as you're forced into a distance learning situation. In previous lessons, you enrolled students in your classes and you assigned some work. In this lesson, you'll learn how to check student scores. Start by logging into your account at quizcards.com/login. Remember, quizcards with a W. The default view should be View Scores, but if it's not, just click the View Scores tab in the top left of your screen. You'll see your students' names on the left. I blanked those out here for privacy. The columns with the slanted blue text have the name of each quiz, the date you assigned it, the number of questions, and the name of the unit that this quiz is in. The student score that's shown below the column header is presented as a fraction. The numerator is the number of questions the student answered correctly. The denominator is the total number of questions. I never enter grades for individual quizzes. Instead, I view my students' performance on an entire unit. Note that what we call a unit in Science Music Videos can be a topic in the AP Bio curriculum. To view by Science Music Videos units instead of individual quizzes, click the Unit button, which I've circled in red. You can also filter by the start date, which I circled in green, and you can control the number of frozen columns on the left side, circled in blue. If you want to adjust the order of the columns for either units or quizzes, click the Reorder, Hide, Show Columns button, which is circled in red. That brings up the window below. Circle the initial checkbox, the column label is in the blue rectangle, to bring up an item to the top. Click Hide to hide it. Drag units up and down until they appear in the order that you want. When you're looking at your student scores, you'll notice that their last name is a hyperlink, colored blue, and I'm not showing the names for privacy reasons. To see a single student's scores, click their names. This brings up a single student view shown below. Now, we have hundreds of quizzes and flashcard decks, so for this view to be manageable, you have a couple of options. Use the Unit pull-down menu in red to select any unit. This will show you the student score for that unit in the upper green progress bar. The lower green progress bar shows the points accrued for the entire course, which is going to vary based on which units you assign. If you click Filter Table, which is in this blue rectangle, you'll only show the quizzes in that unit. Note that students can see their scores in a view that's identical to what's shown above. They can access their scores from within any quiz through a My Scores link. Encouraging your students to check their own scores and to become responsible for their own progress will save you a lot of time. That's it for viewing scores. Now you really have all the tools you need for distance learning for your AP or college biology course. I'll be back soon with an additional video about how to do AP Biology review with your students using the Biomania AP Biology exam preparation system, and I'll have other videos with some more advanced topics. I want to end by letting you know how much I admire what you're doing. You're a hero. In the midst of a pandemic, you're not turning your back on your students. You're doing what needs to be done to provide your students with the support they need to learn biology. Thank you for doing that. I'll see you at the next video. I'll see you on sciencemusicvideos.com.